loves, it's Sam. I am so excited because today I'm going to be doing my very first unboxing of the, I'm just making sure I'm saying this right, DECOCRATED box. So if you are new to DECOCRATED, and I'm really hoping I'm saying that right, I'm assuming it's that. It's a box full of home decor, which I am so excited about because I've never ever had a box full of just like home stuff. I feel like there's other boxes that have like little bits and bobs of like, you could use this in your home, maybe it's a mug or something like that. But as far as a box just dedicated to home decor, this is like so exciting, and it came yesterday and I was like, oh, I just want to open it so bad, but like I saved myself and I'm gonna do it for you guys. They have given me a coupon code. It is Sam and Fam 10. I will put that on the screen down here so that you guys can use that. That's gonna save you guys $10 off of your box. So huge thank you to DECOCRATED for that coupon code. So it says that this box is going to have pops of color for spring. So I'm really excited to see what pops of color they have, just to add like little bits of like, you know, color and life to your home. Also, they have a artist that has specifically made a piece that is unique to DECOCRATED for this box, so that's really awesome as well. This box is kind of catered towards like spring cleaning and organization, so I'm dying to know what comes in here. I think it's like 5 to 8 products. Oh, I'm just reading a little bit more about it here, and it says that there's always interchangeable decor, so they always include 2 to 3 items per box that is double-sided so that it can serve more purposes throughout your home. So examples would be spring box has pillows, wooden banner, and art print. So I'm assuming that you can kind of switch those up. Also, they have everyday collections. So that says that it's collections that can transition in between seasons and from year to year. So like coasters, tabletop clock, lattice crate, succulents. So they have like different things, so it's not just like it's only for spring. You can kind of switch things up. So they also have a blog where you can go and check out like how to style some of these pieces and kind of just like design tips for your home. And every box, it's seasonal, so every box is dedicated to that season. So this is spring, so you're probably going to see more spring things, like I said, pops of color, and then kind of organizational spring cleaning type things. Summer, fall, winter, it's all going to be dedicated to that specific season. I'm so excited. Let's just open the darn thing because I'm like literally just okay, so this is what it looks like. It's really cute because it says DECOCRATED Curated Home. Oh my, it's finally here. Woohoo, hooray, this is exciting. Let's do this. It's like literally how I felt when it came. It says, what's next? Open, decorate, share. So it's a nice big box, as you can see. I'm pretty much like so excited for this box, you guys. I mean, a home decor box, that is like goals right there. When you open it up, it's pink on the inside, which is really pretty. And then it says, oh, how exciting, open it, open it. And then a little thing fell out. So there's a little like pamphlet here. So let's see what's going on here. This is so exciting. I'm like seriously so excited. Okay, so it says, tell me a story with flowers, stay focused and extra sparkly. Oh, so I'm assuming that that's like the little art that you can switch out, because one side says that, and then one side says that. Okay, so then we have a little pamphlet here, and it has, okay, so it has like all of the stuff that you're gonna get. So on the front page here, it's telling you everything that we're getting. So it looks like we're gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different things. And then it shows you like how to style the things. It's like a little magazine. So it teaches you kind of like how they would style it. Oh my God, there's a succulent in here. Okay, let's go ahead and just open this up. Okay, so the very first thing is the little coaster. It says, cheers you. Oh no, it does not. It says, cheers y'all. I can't read. Cheers y'all. And it's a cute little just cork coaster, which is very, very cute. What do we have here? We have some material. I'm assuming, what is this? Let me look it up here. I think it's a pillowcase. Oh my God, it is a pillowcase. How exciting. That's really cute. I love the little pom-poms. Like, how fun is that? So it's little black and white stripes with the little pom-poms all around the edge. That's super adorable. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, yes. There's another pillowcase. Okay, oh, so this one's the long one. So Oh, that's really cute, isn't it? Very boho. So this one is reversible. So this is one of those reversible items that they were talking about where you can kind of do a little switcheroo. So on one side, can you tell I feel like it's Christmas right now? One side is these gorgeous flowers. It kind of just looks like wildflowers with little pops of mustard and the coral, which is very, very in right now, this color. And then on the other side, it is white and coral polka dots. So you can kind of do a little switcheroo on that one. Then we have a box, and I don't have scissors. I will be back. This is very exciting, you guys. The only thing I would say is that there is quite a strong smell of like plastic in this box. And I'm assuming it's just like because it's all brand new. So like maybe once it's like out of the box and everything, it won't have such a strong scent, but it smells very kind of like chemically plastic, which not the greatest smell in the world. We have this super cute little basket, which is really cute. I like the design. I love the color of the wood. I think it's very, again, kind of like very bohemian and kind of natural looking. It has these like little leathery straps on the side. So this is kind of like what they were saying as far as like the spring cleaning organization. So I kind of just want to see like what they're recommending to do with this basket. Oh, how cute. So this is how they styled the little coasters. I feel like those are really cute little ways. I like the little round tray. So they have the basket on the table right there with like flowers on the inside, which is kind of cute. Oh, how adorable is this? There's tons of different ways. They keep on. Okay, so in here, okay, I gotta just get up here and show you guys. So in this picture, they have it kind of on a bookshelf with like books behind. And then, so they don't give you just one option of how to style it. In here, they have it as a kitchen, kind of like, what is that? Like a picnic type little thing, or in the office with your books and scissors, or over here, like on the table with the flowers. I love all these ideas. That's really cute. And then on this one, they have the little pillows, which is really cute. And then they have this holding your little gardening tools. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I love those ideas. I think those are really cute. I love this little basket. I think that's fabulous. Okay. We have another box. I'm assuming this is going to be either the succulent or the clock. This is so exciting. I love it. I wish I would have thought of this, made my own home box. Gosh darn it, why don't I come up with these ideas? Oh, it's so cute. I love succulents because they're the only things I can actually keep alive. This is fake, obviously, but like real ones, I can actually keep alive, which makes me feel accomplished in life. So we have a little cute succulent, which is so adorable with a little white pot. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is such a good box. I'm so excited. Oh, the rest of the coasters. Wait a minute. Why did they give me this one and this one? This is interesting. Okay, so let's just open and see what all of the coasters say. Cheers, y'all, which I showed you. Then we have this one that says, I've got plastic stuck on me. Drink up, Buttercup. That's really cute. So I feel like those have kind of like a little southern kind of vibe. Sip, sip, hooray. Cheers, y'all, again. So maybe they thought that they forgot one of them and they put an extra one in there. I don't know. And then fry yay. Fry yay. I don't know what's going on with my camera. There's just like so much going on. I can't handle it. So those are really cute. So now I have a full set of coasters, which is very exciting because I don't actually have any coasters. And everything has come like packaged really safely, so nothing would break. Like it's all very, oops, you know, they've taken their time to really make sure that nothing is going to break, which I appreciate because that's the worst. Oh, how cute is this? It's a little clock. This is fun. Cute. It's a little kind of like aqua, kind of, it looks a little older, like a little bit more vintage. It has like really pretty little hands. And it's just a really beautiful aqua color. I feel like this would be really pretty in like a kitchen because it kind of looks almost like a scale. Isn't that so cute, you guys? Oh my God, I'm loving this box so much. We have one more box. So we have a liquid chalk marker, and then we have a little chalkboard here that says things to remember. So that would be really cute to keep in the kitchen or like the area that you spend the most time, which is for us the kitchen. So that's really cute. I love the fact that it actually comes with a marker as well. Last but not least, How cute. We have a little sign and it says messy bun and getting stuff done on one side. I actually have a mug that says the exact same thing. And then on the other side it says, today I will be strong, brave, kind, and unstoppable. Today I will be fierce, which is so cute. I really like the print of that, like the actual font is quite nice and simple. So I love that as well. We've got two really adorable little signs. Again, I love the wood, I love the jute. I think it's really, really cute. 8 things all together. The only thing that I would say, this bang is going crazy today, is that I wish that they would have had the pillow inserts, just because now I'm gonna have to go and search for pillows to fit this exact size, which I don't know if it's gonna be hard or not, but that's the only thing that I would say. I probably would have rather just had one pillowcase that comes with the pillow instead of 2 pillowcases and no pillow. So that would be the one thing that I would be kind of like, you know what I mean? Other than that though, I love everything. Like I love it all. I just wish I had a pillow. But I think my favorite, what is my favorite? I don't know, everything is so cute. I feel like I really love the little succulent just because I love succulents. I really do love this pillowcase. I love the print of that. I think it's really fun. I love the little basket. I think that's really fabulous. And I think I love it all. I like this little sign. The coasters are cute. I mean, it's all really cute. Like all of it is so cute. And I'm so excited to like put it around the house and play with it today. I think that's gonna be really fun. So yeah, I'm super excited about this box, you guys. This is my first ever. I cannot believe how good it is. I'm just like, now I'm hooked. Now I'm dying to know what's gonna be in the fall box. Oh wait, no, it'd be a summer box, right? Spring, summer, fall, winter. So yeah, I'm assuming it would be the summer box. I feel like there's a lot of stuff in here. Like that's a really good amount of things, and they're all like really nice quality pieces. It's not like kind of like, you know, like these are really cute things that I would definitely like pick out myself. And I feel like they totally have a really good vibe as far as like the style design, but I feel like not all of it is like one specific style. For example, I feel like the pillow, that's kind of like a little boho, kind of like retro. But then I feel like this is kind of like a little farmhouse. So I feel like it kind of does a good job of like mixing and matching just a little bit in there, so that there's like something for everyone. I'm just looking on the website here. If you subscribe, you do receive a free gift, which is the little frame, like a little wooden, it's a little photo frame for like that little picture that you can switch out. So you can use it as pictures, or you can use it for that little like saying. So we have the quarterly one, which is $79.99 per quarter. Then you get the annual, so you would save 10%. That's $287 for the whole year. If you guys use my coupon code, you would get this for, what is that, $69.99. So $69.99 a quarter. It's not a month, it's a quarter. So I feel like that's a pretty good price, because home decor can get a little pricey. I mean, I just paid $40 for some pillowcases without the pillow insert. And I'm getting 2 pillowcases here, as well as all of the other stuff. I mean, this little sign here would probably be around 20 bucks. So I think the price is pretty darn good, especially seeing as all the stuff seems really, really nice and very like quality pieces. Like it's not, like this material is very thick. It doesn't feel super cheap or like thin or kind of just like, you know, it feels really nice. Yeah, so here is the sign right here. Here's the little frame with the sign. So that's the free gift. If you guys sign up for a subscription, you would be getting this little frame, and then you'd be getting the little sign that I got as well. And that looks really cute just like that. Don't forget to use my code, you guys. It will save you $10 off. It's Sam and Fam 10. Again, I'll leave it here. I will also leave it down in the description box below with the link to DECOCRATED. I am so excited for this box. I really just, now I wish it was monthly, although that would be a little expensive monthly, but I can't wait for the next box. I am so excited. I feel like now I'm like hooked. I don't ever want to go without it. It's just so, so good. Let me know if this is a box that you have been getting, and or if you've heard about it, or like what are your thoughts? Is this something that you'd be interested in? For me, I mean, I love subscription boxes. You guys know I am like all about like subscription boxes. I love my BoxyCharm. I love my FabFitFun. I feel like they're just super awesome. I just love it. It's just like every single time it comes, it's like, oh, Christmas, it's so exciting. But I've never ever heard of a box just dedicated to home decor. So if you are someone who doesn't really like makeup, maybe you don't really like skincare, you're like not into that kind of stuff, but you're like all about decorating your home and just like home stuff, this would be the box for you. It's every home decor lady's dream. I mean, how fun is this? Every season you get new things to decorate your home with. And like I always say with subscription boxes, I'm losing my voice. Sometimes there's not gonna be like, not every single thing you're gonna like. Occasionally there's gonna be a time where, oh, that really won't work for me. Mostly for me, it's like with skincare and like makeup, just because I'm like, oh, I don't like that color, and then you can gift it to a friend. But with this kind of stuff, you know, if there is something that's maybe not your style, it doesn't fit within your theme of like your home decor style, then give it to a friend or save it for a Christmas present or something like that for someone, because they're all really nice pieces. Just maybe it might not be like your specific style, but I am just so excited. I need to go find myself some pillows right now so I can decorate with these beauties. I mean, honestly, these are actually really cute for like a little patio chair. Aren't those kind of fun? I'm just so excited. Okay, I'm gonna go now. I hope you guys enjoyed this and found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you did and you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below, have you gotten DECOCRATED before? Is this something you'd be interested in? And what was your favorite piece that I showed you guys here today? I can't pick one, it's too hard. But I love you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon.